Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a Sunburst chart. We're going to look at another method in creating a Sunburst chart. First and foremost, we I'm going to change the mask card into a pie, and then I'm going to drag the category and drop it in the color section. Then I'm going to drag the sales into the angle to give it the exact angle for the exact part of the circle that represents each of the type, the categories of product. Now I've gotten this. The next thing I'm going to do is this. I've gotten that. The next thing I'm going to do, going to type use the minimum function here. Enter minimum function. And that gives me two. I'm going to change this to interview. Now the next thing I'm going to do is this. I'm going to change one. Now I'm going to change this. Let's change this to category. I could either change it to category, or I could decide to maintain the color. Could decide to maintain the color and drag and drop this in the details section. Now that means in this part now I've gotten a sub category. So I could just bring that and drop it there in the detailed section. Then I can come here and change it to color, and I'll have another color here. This follows this. Now you can see I'm having a very similar color with both. Both are similar. Okay. Now, but if I want something different, what I would have done is this. I would have just bring in the subcategory and then drop it in the color. I click on this, and that gives me um, a different color. A subcategory that is different from this. But if I want just to maintain that same color, I will just leave it there the way it is. Now, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to there's a subcategory now. I'll increase it. Let's reduce it a bit. Now that's a subcategory. Now here I'm going to do now synchronize this and this. Now I'm having these two axes together. Now I'll synchronize that. The only difference I have is the component is blue here, and my component is orange here, which I can equally change. I can equally change that. Now, if I want to differentiate this category, I could go to color, and I work on that. I can decide to change this. I mean, like, and this category is giving me this. Why subcategory I'm having this? So I can change this to this and apply that. Okay. Um, that's for component. Now I've gotten the same. Okay, they're not really the same. I can undo that. Okay, I can simply undo this. Okay, fine. Let's just leave the color the way it is. Now, this is the category. I can decide to change my category. Color for my category. I can decide to change that. This category, I can decide to use a different color altogether. Accessory is blue. This is my category. Okay, let's leave that. Now we've gotten this now. Let's quickly remove this. Let's quickly remove this. Okay, let's quickly format this. Um, okay, now I've done that now. So what I'm going to do now is this. I can equally increase this a little bit. Right. Then that's a subcategory. And this is for the category. That's a category. Now we can now decide to there's a category. We can now decide to format this. Um, let's see, we can bring in the subcategory. And this we can bring in a subcategory and we drop it here. And then we bring in the sales amount. Okay, let me undo that. Let me just bring in the sales. Okay, let's leave it there. Let's bring in the sales amount. We can just decide now we are done with creating a chart set. We just want to the sales amount, percentage of total, the same sales amount, and let's make it complete using subcategory. Now this sales amount, let's drop it on the labels. Now that gives me that, and we can decide to now on the subcategory. We decide to format this the subcategory. Now you can see if we've sorted that. When you set the descending order, we set on the descending order, and that sets that in the descending order of magnitude. When we say ascending order, we do that. That sets it in ascending order of magnitude. Okay, now we have this category here. Where this is okay. This is the category. We can do one or two things here. You can change the border here, and we have that border. If we want to see the line very, very well, we do it this way, and that gives us the border. Okay, fine. We've gotten our Sunburst chart. Now we can now decide to still format the chart if we want to. In this particular place, we already have the category. We have this. We have that subcategory. We can decide to bring in the category into this. Just keep formatting the way you want it to be. Now you can see I have the category in. When I bring in this now, and I have the category here, so I can bring this. So now all I have now, I have the components and I have the category and the subcategories here. So now I have this. So we can also do that for the category if we want to format the category. There's a category we can bring in the sales amount for the category and place it in the details section, and we convert this to percentage of total. So the sales amount, we can drop it on the label. Okay, so compute using category. We can still leave it across compute using across. Okay. Now, with category, now we've gotten the category. If we want to put a category there, but so once you place it there on the category, you can see the category percentage of total for the category. Then we can also, if we want to label the category, can decide to label that. We'll drag and drop here on the label section, and that gives us the category for each of the labeling. And then this category comes as label section, and it is giving us this, which I'm not so comfortable with. That's okay. But dropping this category. So this is how you can create a Sunburst chart in Tableau.